Hey guys, and welcome to this spring Get It All Done with me. We're doing a little bit of everything today. We're going to be cleaning, I'm taking you to Homegoods, and we're going to shop for some spring decor, and then I will show you a haul of all the items I got from Homegoods as well as some other items. And I know you won't want to miss any of it, so stay tuned. But starting off in the kitchen, it wasn't too bad, but I did just want to kind of refresh the space. I actually filmed this on Valentine's Day night, so I hadn't done any cleaning throughout the day. We had a lot of things we actually had to do. Kennedy had gymnastics, and then we went out to lunch as a family after. But look at this cute teddy bear Matt got me. And since it was still Valentine's Day, I still was using my Mrs. Meyer's rose scent, but I think this one goes really well into spring. So if you haven't picked this one up yet, I still would, because it's a fresh floral scent, and that is always just reminds me of spring and warmer weather. I ended up having quite a few dishes, even though we went out to lunch today, and I needed to tackle those really badly before I moved on, so enjoy some dishwashing motivation. And that's kind of how it goes. It's always dishes or laundry or both. There's always one that needs to be done.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on those strings, unable to bend, I never listened.
And guys, if you could help me out really quick and head down to the comments and let me know what is on your spring bucket list. We are building ours as a family. Are you guys going on a trip? Do you have any fun spring activities planned? I know some people go out and pick certain fruits or whatever you guys like to do as a family, and there are a couple of farms by us that do that kind of stuff. Now that we are in a more rural area, if you're new here, we did move pretty recently, and this is going to be our first summer in this new place, and that's really exciting, and I'm really looking forward to taking advantage of living in a more rural place where there are farms and stuff like that, and more farmers markets. That's really exciting. So again, just head down to the comments and help us build our family spring bucket list. And a couple people have asked here and there why I scrub my dishes before I put them into our dishwasher. I think part of it is just habit, because in our last place we didn't have a dishwasher, and I used to wash all the dishes by hand, and in this place we actually do have a working dishwasher. But the answer to that is I think that it gets my dishes more clean, and some of my stuff like my silverware I can't put in the dishwasher because it chips off the gold. I actually need to maybe get another set to replace some of the ones that I used to wash in the dishwasher where the gold chipped off, because I absolutely love my silverware, but you know the struggle if you've been here a while. But other than that, I think that it actually does get things a little bit cleaner, so that is the reason. It might all just be in my mind, and I might just be making more work for myself, but honestly, I don't mind it. Sometimes it's kind of relaxing to do dishes by hand.
Just a little bit of you and I combine to make things right.
And you already know what I'm about to say. My favorite part is cleaning the sink, so I'm just gonna let us enjoy it. I'm just gonna let the music play, and we're just gonna enjoy the sink being cleaned. Like I mentioned a little bit earlier, this is technically an after dark clean with me, so I had to take out the trash.
Come down and get your reel applied. The scale is running wild, it's heavy on my side. I'm throwing things at you, but nothing seems to stick.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I just realized I haven't even introduced myself to anybody who is new. Hi, my name is Bella, and I make all of these motivating, like, homemaking videos. I love to clean, decorate, organize, declutter. I've been doing a lot of that on this channel, if that's your thing. I have an entire, like, decluttering series that I just finished up on my channel if you're interested on that. But I am the mom of one little girl, and she is the light of my life. So I usually do all this decorating so that she can enjoy it and enjoy each season, because as a lot of us have been in the house the last couple years, she was born in 2020, so she's really only seen the house and a couple of select spots outside of the house. So I usually like to switch up the house for her. Although we did recently just do an overnight trip for the first time since she's been a toddler, which was really fun if you saw my story on Instagram. I can't believe how big she's getting. She had so much fun running around in the sand. And moms of multiple kids, how do you handle having a bunch of toddlers running around when it's hard enough to handle one running around? Give me your best tips down below. As you can see, I'm just putting all of my pillows back on the couch, and then in a second here, I'm going to be moving on to clearing off the desk. Look how messy that is. I don't even know how that sign fell over. And now, let's go to Homegoods.
Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beach's sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here?
So I feel like this video is seriously all over the place, but I'm gonna jump right into our haul now. And I'm going to start with Homegoods. And I'm gonna be showing all of this up close as I talk about it too, so don't worry. But here was my first item from Homegoods. It is a welcome spring sign, and it was $5.99. It is super cute. I love the neutral colors, and it kind of looks almost like water painting. And I'm trying to go for a neutral look with touches of spring colors. I wanted to go all neutral at first, but it just wasn't speaking to my soul, and I wanted to stay true to what I wanted to do, so it ended up being like kind of a mix of all the spring colors. And my cat is joining me. And you can probably see this next item, but how cute is this? And I love the planter box. I love the pink in these little tulips. This is so cute. It looks almost farmhouse. Actually really does look farmhouse vibes here. And there's the white and the pink tulips mixed in. I think it does a pretty good job. I'm planning on using this out in this room, so we're gonna have to see where I end up putting it. I have some ideas, but I'm not sure yet, so I don't want to commit to anything. We'll just have to see where it ends up. And before I forget, because I know that I will, this was $24.99. So this next item, I've been seeing these silhouette outline bunnies everywhere I go this year. I think that they're super popular. Uh-oh, Laura, don't you love that baby? No, baby, no ma'am. But I chose gray and white just because I wanted to add the more neutral color in there. But it has these cute little beads around the neck. And again, it was $5.99 from HomeGoods. This next item I got for Kennedy's room. And it is this little bunny, and it was $4.99, super cute. Little eyes closed, super like simple, but also perfect for a little nursery for Easter. And this last item from HomeGoods is this just white cream pillow. And I wanted something super neutral, but I love how this pillow feels. If you're at HomeGoods, you should look at it. And this pillow was $24.99. Next, I have Marshalls, and this is probably where I got the bulk of my items. So I got this bunny for Kennedy's nursery. It was $9.99. It has a really floral pattern on its dress, super cute. It's pink, and I love these sparkly, like rose gold, kind of gold ears. Super cute. And I also can't get over these little ballet shoes. These next two items are kind of the same. I went for a similar vibe. I went very farmhouse this year, if you can't tell. But this one says, welcome to our patch, and it has 3 little carrots. And this one, woo, says carrot patch 1 mile. This one was $6.99, and this bigger one was $9.99. And this cute little planter box. This is kind of reflective here. I just thought it was super cute, and it matches kind of the box on my tulips. Thought it would go good together, and this was $13 at Marshall's. And this I just love. I love this so much. It was $16.99. And it just has all the spring colors that I was going for. It is super pretty. And this was an item that somebody else put down. Like, I was looking in their spring section, and I was looking for a wreath and I didn't see one. And then somebody had put this back when I had circled back around, and I was just so lucky that they did, because I love this so much. And that is it for Marshall's. But now I want to move on to Target, because I got some really cute stuff there. I picked up this adorable bunny pillow. It is yellow and white, and I think it's gonna go in the nursery, not quite sure yet. I thought that it was just like simple, and it reminded me of a little girl's room, or a little kid's room in general, because this could be totally like neutral. And they're cute. There's just 2 little bunnies on there. Love that. And if I can find the price, it was $10. Now this is the fun one I wanted to show you. It just has so many spring colors and everything. Just super easy to put in wherever you need it. And this was in the dollar spot, and it was $5. Just has these cute little eggs, all the spring colors, some flowers. That would go really cute. Even if you wanted to get multiples, and like I've seen people hang them on mirrors, this would be a cute one to do it with. And this last little haul here is from Michael's. And sometimes I forget about Michael's. I forget that they also have really cute decor. So I picked up 2 of these beautiful pots, and I will make sure that I get the detail for you guys, but I just love the pattern on this. And it was only $9.99, and I got 2. They're gonna be so pretty. This is my favorite thing easily this year. If you're at Michael's, don't sleep on this. This is so cute. And to bring in some more neutral, I did get some of these beautiful flowers, and these are gonna go in this pot to bring in just, again, a more fresh look, so that we can just kind of sprinkle in the spring colors, if that makes sense. And these were each $16.99, but there is a 40% off all the spring collection at Michael's right now. So it ends up being a really good deal. And here is the last thing I got. It says Gather. It was again from Michael's, super farmhouse and neutral. And this was $29.99, but again, I think this was on sale because I believe it's part of their spring line. And as a very special treat, I'm gonna put in a preview of my 1K giveaway decor box for you guys, since you did make it to the end of this video. So I'm gonna be right back. You're gonna see this clip, and then the next one will be the preview. All right guys, so here is the preview. if you want to participate in my 1K giveaway. I went with very neutral decor on purpose because I want you to be able to use it in whatever your style is. I didn't want to hinder your creativity, I just wanted to enhance it. And I forgot to mention I got a couple of these little bunnies for myself as well. And since you guys are my besties, I picked up another one of these pots from Michael's that I am absolutely obsessed with, and I know that you will be too if you end up winning. You got the Welcome Spring, and there's this really pretty neutral, it's called an egg garland, but honestly you could use this any time of year. It doesn't even look seasonally specific, but it is so cute. But it would be so cute for Easter on a tiered tray. I'm a big believer in you need some type of beaded decor to go on your tiered tray, and because spring and summer are on the horizon, I got you a cup to make sure you're drinking your water, and it's super pretty. It's a kind of an iridescent pink. I thought it would just be the cutest thing ever for you to walk around and sip your water. And again, since you guys are hanging around to the end, this is just a special treat for you guys, so you can see it before anybody else. I haven't even made an announcement on Instagram yet. But since you're here and you're my besties, I will tell you that the giveaway will be the first part of my spring clean and decorate, so make sure that you are subscribed with your notifications turned on, and make sure you hit that thumbs up if you liked today's video. I will see you back here with another homemaking video very soon, but until then, bye beauties.